So good morning students. Our next topic is some numerical based on unit number 1, that is low power amplifier. तो इसके ऊपर हम फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल देखेंगे, that is a tuned circuit has resonant frequency of 1600 kilohertz and bandwidth of 10 kilohertz. What will be the value of Q? What will be the value of Q? What is the value of Q? Q का value क्या है? Quality factor का value क्या है? Find out करना है. So in this example, F0, that is resonant frequency is given, that is 1600 kilohertz, bandwidth is given 10 kilohertz, and we have to find out the value of Q. We have to find out the value of Q. So कैसा फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम Q? So इसके लिए बैंडविड्थ के लिए क्या फार्मूला है? बैंडविड्थ Q equals to how much? So bandwidth is given by bandwidth. We know that bandwidth is given by F0 divided by Q0. F0 is divided by Q0 or Q. So this implies that इसमें से क्या निकालेंगे? Q का वैल्यू Q equals to F0 divided by bandwidth. F0 divided by bandwidth. We put the value of F0. F0 is 16 kilohertz and bandwidth is 10 kilohertz. 10 kilohertz. So Q equals to 160. This is the value of Q. Okay. Then next numerical. नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल देखेंगे हम. A tuned amplifier has resonant has its maximum gain has its maximum gain at a frequency of maximum gain at a frequency of 2 megahertz at a frequency of 2 megahertz and bandwidth of 50 kilohertz, bandwidth of 50 kilohertz. Calculate the Q. Calculate the Q. Okay. So how we can solve this example? So F0 is again given, that is 2 megahertz equals to 2 into 10 raised to power 6 hertz. 2 into 10 raised to power 6 hertz. Then bandwidth is 50 kilohertz. Bandwidth is 50 kilohertz equals to 50 into 10 raised to power 3 hertz. Okay. What we have to find out? We have to find out the value of Q0 or Q. So Q is again given by F0 divided by bandwidth. So very simple. F0 divided by bandwidth equals to 2 into 10 raised to power 6 divided by 50 into 10 raised to power 3. So it's equals to how much? Find out the value. That is 40. So the value of Q equals to 40. Okay. इसमें कहता है F0 दैट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना था 2 मेगाहर्ट्ज, फिर बैंडविड्थ कितना दिया होता है 50 मेगाहर्ट्ज, Q का वैल्यू कैसे निकालते हैं F0 डिवाइडेड बाय बैंडविड्थ, सो Q इक्वल्स टू 40. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. Next example, calculate the resonant frequency of a series resonant circuit in the following cases. In the following cases, case 1 is given, that is inductance L equals to 46 milliampere. C, capacitance equals to 5.5 nanofarad in series. Then coil of L, that is inductance का वैल्यू दिया है सेकंड केस में 200 मिली हेनरी and R equals to 2 ohm in series with capacitor or 200 picofarad. Okay, so रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. ठीक है, सो इसको कैसा सॉल्व करेंगे? और गिवन इन फर्स्ट केस L equals to 46 millihenry. So 46 millihenry means means 46 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Henry. Okay, then capacitance is given by 5.5 nano farad equals to 5.5 into 10 raised to power 9 farad. Okay, then how we can find out the resonant frequency? F is given by 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. Okay, so put the value of 2 pi and under root LC. So 1 divided by 2 into 3.14 multiplied by square root of this value, that is 46 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into 5.5 into 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay, so after calculating F equals to how much? Do the calculation and write answers. F is 10 kilohertz. F is 10 kilohertz. Okay, so in second case, again we have to find out the value of resonant frequency F. Okay, so in second case, L equals to 200 millihenry, means 200 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Henry. Then R equals to 2 ohm. R equals to 2 ohm. So and C का वैल्यू कितना दिया है, कैपेसिटेंस का वैल्यू कितना दिया है, 200 पिको, means pico means 10 raised to power minus 12 farad. Okay, pico means 10 raised to power minus 12. So put the value F equals to, again that is resonant frequency is given by the formula 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. So 1 upon 2 pi, put the values 2 into 3.14 and square root of that is L. L is given, that is 200 into 10 raised to power minus 3 multiplied by C, 200 into 10 raised to power minus 12. After, do the calculation of this and find out the value of resonant frequency. After calculating, we will get the value of resonant frequency, that is 25.16 hertz. 26.16. It's not hertz, it's kilohertz. It's not hertz, it's kilohertz. Okay, so this is the some numerical based on unit number 1, that is low power amplifier.